Now we're gonna fill up all these blank boxes. Now let's see what is there in the number A. Is 2 by 7 equal to 8, and there is a blank box is there. So see, there is a 2 in the numerator and there is a 7 in the denominator. So in the numerator it is 2. So how will get 8 in the denominator? Suppose like that I'm writing. If I multiply 2, if I multiply the numerator, this is 2, by 4, I will get 8. So if I multiply the numerator by 4, I have to multiply the denominator also by 4. So I will multiply 7 with 4. So I will get 7 4s are 28. So what I will get in the box, it is 28. So this is the answer. 28 will be the answer. In the number B, what is 5 by 8? So, and what is given in the right side? There is 10. There is a box. Now see, 5 and 8. 5 in the numerator and 8 in the denominator. Now there is a 10. How we get 10 in the right side? If I multiply this 5 with 2, I have to multiply this 8 with 2. Then in that way I will get 10. There is a 10 there. So 8 to the 16. So 16 will be the answer in the blank box. So this is the number B. And now coming to number C, what is written? 3 by 5 is equal to blank box and 20 is there. Now see, in the denominator it is 20. How we get 20? If I multiply 5 by 4, 5 by 4, I will get 5 into 4, I will get 20. So at the same time I have to multiply this 3 with 4, so that I will get whatever I will get. So I will get the answer in the blank box. So I will multiply, so like that, 20 is there, 20 is there. So for to get 20, I have to multiply 5 into 4. So I have to multiply the numerator by 4. So I'll get 20. Like that is 12. Eventually it was like that. 5 into 4. That's why it is 12 by 20. So here in the box it is 12. You can skip these two lines. I am just showing it in the two different places, but you can write it in a single line in the like those earlier two problems. Now number D, 45 by 60, and it is 15. There is a blank box. So see how we'll get. Let's write 45 by 60. Now what I will do, I have to get 15 there. To get 15, I have to divide the numerator by any number so that I get it. If I divide 45 with the number 3, I have to divide the denominator is 60 by 3. So if I divide 45 by 3, I'll get 15, like that. If I divide 60 by 3, if I divide 60 by 3, I'll get 20. So what is the answer in the black box? My answer will be 20. This is my answer in number D question. So now we're coming to number E. It is 18 by 24. The question is a blank box and has a 4. Now C, I'm writing it again, 28 by 4. Now to get 4, C, to get 4 in the right hand side, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Right hand side in the denominator, we have to divide 24 by 6. At the same time, I have to divide 18 by 6. Now what I am getting? If I divide 24 by 6, I will get 4. And if I divide 18 by 6, I will get 3. So 3 is my answer. This is the actually how we replaced this blank box by other number. So what we are getting here, it is 8 by 28. It is 8 by 28. It is 5 by 8. Now what we are getting? 16. So 16 is there. It is 16. Number C, 3 by 5. So 12 by 20. So it is 12. At number D we are getting 20. And at number E we are getting 3. So this I am just showing. In the exam you just do this one. So eventually we are successfully filled up all the blank spaces. So thank you. In the next question, what we'll do? There's a find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having number A, denominator 20, numerator 9, denominator 30, and number D, numerator 27. So we are solving the number A. So what do we want? So we are solving number A, 3 by 5. What do we want? We want 20 at the denominator. To get 20 at the denominator, what we have to do? We have to multiply both numerator and denominator by what number? If we multiply 5 by 4, what will get? 5 4s are 20. We will get 20 at the denominator. So I have to multiply the numerator also by 4. So eventually what I'll get? 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20. So this is an equivalent fraction. So if I divide this 12 by 4, what I'll get? I'll get 3. If I divide 20 by 4, I'll get 5. So this is an equivalent fraction. So 3 by 5, 12 by 20 is an equivalent fraction having denominator 20. So in number B, what do we want? We want the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having numerator 9. To get numerator 9, we have to multiply. If you multiply 3 by 3, what will get? 3 3s are 9. So if I multiply the numerator by 3, I have to multiply the denominator by 3. So 3 3s are 9. 5 3 is 15. Number C. Now whatever number C is there, number C, we want denominator 30. So if 3 by 5, if I want denominator 30, writing the 3 by 5, to get 30 here, what I have to multiply? 5 6 are 30, we know, at the denominator. So that's why I'm multiplying the numerator also. I have to multiply by 6. So 3 5 are 5 6 are 30, 3 6 are 18. Now coming to number D. So 3 by 5. What we want? 3 by 5. What we want? Numerator. In the numerator, in the question, see, you have to solve this type of question like that. You have to think like that. What is the in the question? We need near 27 in the numerator. So there is given 3 in the numerator. So to make it 27, I have to multiply 3 by 9. 3 9 is 27. That's why I am multiplying it by 3. So this is a basic rule and basic things, because if I multiply the numerator by 9, I have to multiply the denominator by 9 also. So in the numerator I'll get 27 3 9 and the denominator I'll get 45. 5 9 45. So this is the question and we solved it. See, 3 by 5 is there. We need denominator, we need 20 at the denominator. So that's I divided. You have to think like, you can think this also, that way also. We need 20. So how I'll get 20 here? 5 4s are 20. This is the way. Or otherwise you divide 20. Otherwise don't divide actually. This is a simple way. We need 20 in the denominator, so we have to multiply the denominator. We have to multiply the 5 by 4, so that I will get 20. If I multiply the denominator by 4, I have to multiply the numerator also by 4. 12 by 20 is equivalent 3 by 5. So I multiplied both numerator by 3. That's why I get 15, and that's why I get 9. Same way I did all the questions, and we got all the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 according to our given question. In the given question, we have to find the equivalent fraction of 36 by 48 with numerator 9 and in the denominator 4. So we are doing the number A, 36 by 48. So we want numerator 9. So to get numerator 9, we have to divide 36 by 4. If we divide the numerator by 36 by 4, so we have to divide 48 by 4 also. That way we will get 9 here. 34 9 is 36. So 12 4 is 48. So that's why 9. So this is 9 by 12 is the equivalent fraction of 36 by 48 having numerator 9. Now we are doing the number B. We want denominator 48. So to get 48, 36, now 48 we are writing division sign. That is very easy. Now to get 48, what we'll do? We have to divide 48 by 12. If we divide here, we have to divide there also. If we divide in the denominator, we have to divide the numerator also with the same number. So 12 4 is 48. So 12 3 is 36. So it is 3. So 3 by 4 is the equivalent fraction of 36 by 48 having denominator 4, and 9 by 12 is the equivalent fraction of 36 by 48 having numerator 9.